Today's recipe is lemon juice. Ingredients is been listed. So first take one big lemon according to your glass size. I have taken a big size glass, so I have taken a big lemon, and 3 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt and some ice cubes. So this is completely optional. I have taken a bit of lemon zest to give an extra flavor. You may avoid this if you don't like the flavor of that. I have taken very little. Squeeze out one full lemon into the serving glass. Add some ice cubes according to your requirements. I have added 8 to 9 ice cubes. Add 3 teaspoons or tablespoons according to your requirements. I have added 3 tablespoons of sugar. And add a pinch of salt. And water. Mix it. Serve it by some garnishing, or you can dine as your home. So that's it. A chill lemon juice is ready. Now I'm serving it with some cucumber slices. So this is how I presented it. Thank you for watching. I hope this was useful for you to prepare a perfect lemon juice. You may serve this beverage to your friends, family and your loved ones if you feel the climate is so hot. So thank you for watching.